Good evening, everyone. I'm Jaspal over here, and joining alongside me, I have Rampriya, Suresh, Sujata, Sandeep. And together we are Sec Ninjas, and we are here to present our entry for Hackathon. We have come up with an app called Travel Safe Now, and it comes with a motto where trust meets security. We are an online accessible travel security companion which is trusted by thousands of users. We are in operations for the last 5 years, and we are ensuring secure and seamless travel experience. However, we have seen a problem statement internally, and we would like to ensure we are catering to the problems that we have come across. One of which is we are having constant attacks, and we are also having high value volume of security alerts generated day in day out because we are having online presence, and more or less we are probe to things like these. Coming on to the solution statement, we are implementing triaging based on different groups that we have, which we talk about in the later slides, and it would be solely based on alertness and urgency. Just to give you some background, let's consider a case where I had to travel from Dubai to Vegas for Knowledge 2025, and unfortunately, I didn't have roaming enabled, which meant that for checking my flight status, I had to connect to public Wi-Fi, which meant it came with the additional risk of data being exposed. In order to ensure things like these does not happen, and if it happens, how are we able to take care of it? Where it comes with a reactive approach, we have come with three different teams who would help us ensure that things like these, if in case happens, are already handled. And we are doing this as part of red team, which we call as attackers, whose job more or less is to actively probe and attack our apps on purpose, so that we built a solution which is more or less worked by a team called blue team, who act as defenses. And in a way, whatever is the attack, be it from the red team who is purposely doing it, or be it from the actual uh, case where we have seen attackers attacking because of users accessing the platform, defenses are the one who will be able to address or look for solutions on things like these. However, just to ensure we have a weighted balance between attackers and defenders, we have a purple team called collaborators. Sole purpose is to ensure that there are no arguments between attackers and defenders, because when we talk about red team, as said, the sole job is to somehow try to find a breach on the platform. However, defenders would try to find a solution, but there would be cases where some or the other breach would be intentional, but it would not have a valid, or it would be a null and void scenario. So to handle cases like these, we have a purple team who looks for things like these. Coming on to backend flow, we have simplified it to the level where even a layman can look at it and understand. The red box, as you see, is where the actual trigger or initiation happens. More or less, it can be via a reactive approach, the example of mine which we discussed about, or it can be red team doing it on purpose. However, boxes from 2 to 8 are all of the boxes that are handled by blue team, where they take care of travel detail, which is our custom app where the details are stored. They are also having auto assignment, which is enabled. We have agentic AI, which does some sort of summarization, which we'll explain in the following slides. And we have a purple team as well. As said, there would be a case where we already have a attack registered, and it in that case it would have the ticket or the case assignment done directly to the team, that is collaborator team, which would ensure that the case is directly resolved. If in case there happens to be a case where we don't have solution for that, it goes through complete triaging from blue and then to purple to ensure that things are documented and we have it added to the database. We have backend RPA flow and also the logic behind it created, uh, which is detailed in our this slide, where we have given deep links to all of the necessary elements that are very much important for our travel safe app to work. We have given the case form where tickets can be created. We have also given the flight details data widget, where as part of integration we are pulling in the data. We have KB articles as well published. Along with that, we have given the process packaging links as well, which is configured on the instance. However, there is one important piece that I would like to add, which is topping here, which is service not travel now case. We have a summarization added just to ensure that the payload data that is more or less received, which can be viewed over here, is inline and understandable. Because when we talk about integrations, the JSON payload data would come the way it is, which is raw. However, to ensure that it is readable by the person who is actually working on the ticket, we have a summarization feature added, which would automatically, when the description is added in the description field, will convert it in a understandable and a simpler language in the summarization field as seen over here. Coming on to the conclusion on what is that we'll achieve by having all of these three different teams in place, it would help us prioritize the data breaches and active exploits. We would ensure we have timely mitigations because we'll have those stored in our databases already. We'll also ensure that we have just to follow the steps so that we are able to close out the ticket in no time. Then coming on to strengths, this would help us achieve and align the frameworks and standards that we are supposed to, because we have a online presence and we are supposed to adhere to data and security regulatory compliance that happens to exist in each of the region around the globe. It would also help us reduce the noise, which means, as said in my previous slides, we have high alert and volume of security issues or alerts received every day. This would help us reduce the noise because it would be automatically assigned to a purple team and they would directly go in resolve state. More or less, if I'm supposed to sum up, all in all, it would help us minimize the risk and downtime and improve the overall posture of the application that we are delivering. Thank you.